What's up, everyone? I want to take a minute of your time to walk you through two beautiful trades we caught during the live today. Well, one was massive, one was okay. Let's just get right to it. This blue box here is the first 15-minute range. This is opening 5-minute candle here. We waited on this candle close to get the 15-minute range in before we took a trade. As you can see, it had nice high volume. We can see clearly we have weakness. We're below pre-market low. So I wanted a short entry. We got the high volume candle I looked for. We waited on the retracement up for less risk. This is very important. And typically I would set my stop loss at the top of the high volume candle, but there was too much risk on this. I told everyone 30 points is all I'm willing to risk. So I set my stop around 830. We got in this trade. As you can see, it made a massive move down over 100 points. And I was light sizing this trade. Then I ended up catching another short. And I did make a mistake, which I think a few of us in the live was confused. We make it a group effort when we're live trading. We talk about the setups. I ask people, check this or check that. They do the same to me. It's a very good environment. Anyways, we had high volume here, but I thought it was negative delta. And I looked at the footprint chart and it appears I was wrong. But we got in another short here. We had that previous day point of control, the retest. We got in shorts and we ended up catching another nice move down. Just one of them days where you feel like you can't miss. Don't you just love it when you get into a trade and it does exactly what you want instantly? It makes you think, I wish every trade was like that, right? It gets us spoiled after a while, but that was it. Very simple setups, all caught during the live, which is 100% free if you'd like to join that at Market Open. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I do my best to answer them. I would say I'm the most responsive on my IG. You can find all my socials at grizzlytrades.com. Appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.